Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. So today we got a tailgate assist, so it doesn't just like when you open it, it just like slowly comes down. This will help with it. So let's open it and see how it's installed. It says it's easy to assemble, so let's see. So it comes with this, a tool, and then also the instructions. Seems pretty easy. Alright, let's see if we can install it. Alright, so this only works on the driver side. So what you guys need to do is completely remove this bolt and then this bolt, loosen it but don't take it all the way out, and then it's also a 10mm socket. Took me a minute to find the 10mm, but we did find it, so let's take it out. After taking this out, loosen this bottom one. Just loosen it a bit, and then you take this piece right here, slide it in right there, and then the extra bolt they give you guys, go right in there. Alright, now that's done. This bolt right here, we take that off. Right now, this is off. Alright, now this bottom piece that comes down, it's gonna go down here, and then the top one's gonna go right there. Pretty simple to install. that should be it. Let's try it out now. Let's see if it'll work. That didn't go up. Two. Hopefully now it should. And that's how you install it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. A quick install. If you guys want to see more, like, comment, and then let me know what to do next on this truck. I might get the Morimoto grill with like the lights right here that matches these Morimotos. So let me know what you guys think, and see you guys later.